So this is structuring for trading success. It's all about focusing on one strategy. I see a lot of you trading lots of different things, and what you are, a lot of you are master, a jack of all strategies or multiple strategies and a master of none. So what you want to do now is focus on one thing, your favorite strategy. Maybe it's hyper credit spreads. They're working pretty well. 95% win rate. I mean, come on. There's a system right there waiting for every one of you. You know, you're gonna take losses, but what you want to do is take the system and back test it and prove that it works historically so that you can prepare yourself to take the occasional gut punch when the stock moves against you. So it's really simple. Focus on one strategy at a time and then master it. I'm going to make this really bright red. Discrete rules. That's what Tom's trading was all about. And that's what, before I came to Optionetics and I taught with George and Tom, traded with them. I wasn't really a rules-based trader. But if you embrace rules, test them out, and really and truly have them in your DNA, and all you need to do is to follow the rules and let history that you've done in a back test guide you into the future. And the pathway to mastery is to pick one system at a time, back test it in Tom's tools 100 times, run a report, a performance report. You know how to do that. Get your report card. And if you don't like the results, go back to step 1 and pick a different system or modify your rules and wash, rinse, and repeat until you get a report card that you like. You know, I'd say if you're on credit spreads, if you're averaging 10%, that's a success. APL, that's a success. And once you've gone through that stage, you want to do 25 live paper trades. Just what I'm doing here in Thinkorswim. Don't risk any real money yet. You know, Paulina, I know, has been doing a lot of paper trading and live paper trading before she went live. So Paulina is actually following this approach. So then you take the same rules that you did up here, don't change a thing. 25 live simulated paper trades, run your performance report, and then if the results are what you want, then I got to change that. I'm not going to tell you to go live. I'm going to say consider. But when you're ready, when you feel like you've gone through these steps here, then, again, if you run the performance report, you don't like the results, then you go back to step 1 and remodify and retest or pick a different system. And then once you've gone through these 2 steps here, you're a master of one. Well, let's say you're on your way to mastery. You've back tested 100 times. It works. You've live paper traded it 25 times. The results are great. And then consider going to a live environment. And when you do that, do one contract at a time. That's a process. Every one of you that have been coached by me has this. And then build a forecast. All right, now all of you have this spreadsheet right in your resources under snipers, under Earnings Mastery Live, as well as hedge fund, the community coaching boards have it. You can pull this forecasting sheet up, and then you can use it to build your trade plan and your forecasting. We're going to cover more of this tomorrow on Hedge Fund Live, and then, Hedge Fund group coaching on Thursday, earnings group coaching on Wednesday. We'll go into the spreadsheet and remind you how to use it. What I see across the community is people trading a lot of different stuff, and I don't believe that many of you are operating from this, let's call it a business plan. So on the community coaching classes coming up this week, this is going to be the topic. And we may even have you break into teams. We'll see how we're going to do it, but this is so important that you put this structure in place.